CE1. For today's video, I'd like to discuss the lesson 27 in Physics 121. Energy conservation with dissipative forces. When we say energy conservation with dissipative forces, non-conservative forces change the amount of mechanical energy for a system. Law of conservation of energy. When we say law of conservation energy, it is that total energy is neither increased or decreased. In any process, energy can be transformed from one to another. So, energy conservation with dissipative forces equals yung mga formula tayo dyan ng work total equals to change in kinetic energy work conservation is equals to change in potential energy work total equals to work conservation plus work conservation. From dito, so work total equals to work conservative plus work non-conservative. Change in kinetic energy equals to negative change in potential energy plus work non-conservative. So, work non-conservative equals to change in potential energy plus change in kinetic energy. Change of energy equals to change in potential energy plus change in kinetic energy. So, work non-conservative equals to change of energy equals to energy final minus energy initial. So, proceed lang tayo sa example natin dyan. A 16.0 kilogram children descend on a slide 2.20 meter high and starting from the rest, reaching from the bottom with a speed of 1.25 meters per second. How much thermal energy due to friction was generated in this process? So, may height siya na 2.2 meter. So, B initial natin dyan equals to 0. Then, Y initial natin dyan is meron tayo 2.2 meter. 2.2 meter. The 2.2 meter is the height of starting from the rest to reach the bottom. So, F is equals to B final equals to 1.25 meter per second. So, yung 1.25 meter per second, na-reach niya na yung bottom from the top to bottom. Na-reach niya na may 1.25 meter per second. So, Y final natin dyan is meron tayong 0. Energy initial equals to energy final minus plus energy total. Kinetic energy initial equals to plus potential energy initial. Kinetic energy initial plus energy initial equals to kinetic energy final plus potential energy final plus energy total. So, 1/2 MB initial squared. 1/2 MB initial squared cancel 0 plus gravity Y initial equals to 1/2 MB final squared plus gravity Y sub F cancel 0 plus energy total gravity of Y initial equals to 1/2 MB final squared plus E final. So, energy total equals to mass gravity Y initial minus 1/2 MB final squared. So, energy total, meron tayo dyan 16 kilogram na may gravity tayo sa gravity 9.81 meter per second squared. Then 2.2 meter with the height minus mo siya sa 1/2 Tapos 16 kilogram. Yung 16 kilogram is the child. Weight of child. Yung 1 times sa 1.25 meter per second. So, final velocity natin yan, 1.25 meter per second. Quantity squared. By calculating meron sa i-total natin na meron tayo dyan 335.3 joules. Sorry, 335.31 joules. So, ito yung naging total. Ito yung hinahanap sa atin sa tanong na how much thermal energy due to friction was generated in this process.